Today, environmental issues become a universal problem. Air pollution, lacking of using water, floods, drought, storm, and other natural disasters has been increased more than ever. Since humans has discovered the benefits of using natural resources in manufacture and economical development, especially since the Industrial Revolution, the concentration of various greenhouse gases on the Earth's surface has been increasing, leading to the rising of carbon dioxide on the Earth's atmosphere. Consequently, the world temperature has been increasing, the phenomenon that is well known today as the term global warming. According to scientific reports, global warming is the term used to explain the increase in the average temperature of the Earth's mid-surface air and ocean since the mid-20th century, and its projected continuation. In the nearly 100 years, the Earth's average temperature has increased from 032 to 133 degrees. Although greenhouse gases play the main roles, human activity are the origins of every problem. Human has done many things for their benefits, not paying attention to the damage of the environment. For example, industrial waste for manufacturing, mill and miner that contain a lot of chemical substance has been eliminated directly to the air, landfill or river. As a result, it makes the air, landfill and river more polluted and harmful. In addition, overusing of natural resources such as forests and minerals also destroy the balance of ecology and environment. Global warming causes various kinds of natural disasters and global concerns affecting human life. In fact, there are so many examples that show the vast effects. While most of the weather that we experience is brief and short-lived, drought is a more gradual phenomenon. Its effect can be extremely serious to the human life. Natural wild losses from the U.S. drought from 1988 exceed 40 billion. In the Horn of Africa in 1984 to 1985 drought led to a famine which killed 755,000 people. Floods are one of the most common hazards in the United States. Flood effect can be local, impacting a neighborhood or community, or very large, affecting entire river basin and multiple states. Hurricane is also one of the most heavy obstacles of the U.S. in their development. From 1970 to 1999, 78% of children were killed by the tropical cyclones in freshwater floods. During the 21st century, there are many major storms such as Katrina, Camo, and Hugo hit America. It caused serious suffering loss from human life. Global warming, also called the melt of ice in North Pole and South Pole, leading to the increase of sea level. If the ice is on Greenland's melt, sea level will rise about 25 feet. Consequently, some part of continents will lose, especially some place under the sea level. In addition, some kind of animals, such as polar bear, penguins, will lose the place to live. Moreover, when the world getting warmer, it's called the disappearing of many kinds of plants and animals that can only live in the cold climates. Briefly stated, global warming has now become a universal problem. Since humans has become concerned about our work environments, there has been many debates between scientists trying to find a solution. However, they still has not been able to offer an effective way to solve it. The key lies in human responsibility. Therefore, until humans really take on their responsibility and apply it into practice, the work environment will be still in danger.